Hey guys, we received this waterproof mattress protector for the queen bed for test and try. This is a fitted sheet style breathable mattress cover with a deep pocket. So let me just open up. So this is the gray color one, and you can see that it's a deep pocket thing, is a elastic. It's like a fitted sheet. So see, you can put this on the top of the mattress. So this is the fitted sheet with the elastic stuff, and then the waterproof thing on this inner side thing. So this is the waterproof layer that comes with it inside. So that will come on the mattress. So protect the mattress from any accidental water spillage or any stuff, and then the deep pocket to hold the mattress well. So it's a nice mattress protector that you can use on the queen.
On the bed, it fits well, and then this pocket is also deep that holds the mattress completely within that one. And then it's soft like a fabric, like a fitted sheet, so there is no issue. And as the water protector, and is a nice protector.